Hello everybody, this is Haya Ali here and I'm your host for today. दिया अगर वाइट बोर्ड्स पे दोनों के आंसर्स मैच नहीं हुए उसको कॉफ़ी का शॉट लेना पड़ेगा. इसने बहुत सेफ खेला है तो मैं अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बचाने के लिए कॉफ़ी शॉट से
Ooh, guys, I'm confused between two.
Yeah, same.
Hello everybody, this is Haya Ali K here and I'm your host for today. Welcome to the first episode of Brewing Gossip. Today I have Haya Khan over here with me.
Hello.
And I have Anisha over here.
Hello.
So Haya and Anisha, I've heard you two are best friends.
Yeah, there's a story behind
Very
it.
funny story behind it. So we did a web series together. We had to act as best friends, and since then we've been best friends.
So you guys have worked together and spent a lot of time together.
Yes, on set, off set.
So do you guys know what we're doing today?
You tell us.
Excited to
So
know.
I thought I'll call the hottest best friends duo in town with me today,
sweet.
and we'll see if you guys really are best friends because I have like this Q&A segment prepared for you guys. So are you excited? Because I am.
Yes.
Now definitely we are.
So let's get to it if you're ready.
Let's get to
Let's
it.
get to
yes.
All right, great. Let's start, guys. Okay, so guys, we now gave Anisha and Haya their whiteboards, and now I'll ask them questions about each other. 5 questions each, so let's see. और जिसने जवाब गलत दिया, अगर white boards पे दोनों के आंसर्स मैच नहीं हुए, उसको कॉफी का शॉट लेना होगा.
Okay.
Let's see.
Interesting.
Okay, so these questions are for Anisha. So you have to make sure Haya कि आपके answers उनसे match करें. ठीक है? You have to answer them for Anisha.
Okay.
So what is Anisha's?
Looking.
Sorry.
अभी से cheating मतलब क्या?
My eyes are actually on my board.
अच्छा, so Haya, what is Anisha's biggest fear?
Okay.
जल्दी जल्दी लिखना है. Are you?
Okay.
अच्छा दोनों दिखाओ board. दिखाओ. हाँ.
Yeah.
leaving.
people
Yeah.
leave. Ooh. Okay.
बच गए तुम
Yeah.
लोग कॉफी शॉट से.
Nice.
अच्छा. मुझे लग रहा है तुम लोग आंखों से बता रहे हो दूसरे को आंसर. Okay, so the second question is, Haya, what is Anisha's go-to coffee order?
Go to coffee order.
Yeah. फंस गई.
I just.
Okay. I
Are
didn't
you
see.
done?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit. So
So-
what? Okay, so the
Yeah,
not
cold coffee. That's ice. In a way.
cold.
That's one
Nine.
of
You've
it.
you've
You
specially
tell.
written caramel flavor. She does not have that. She just have ice latte blended. So you got
I
1
have to?
up till now.
Or like both of us have to take the shot.
You have.
You have to.
Oh shit. Okay.
have it.
Okay, you can do
All
this.
because of you. Okay.
Is it strong?
Very
अगली बार
strong.
दिमाग ज़्यादा तेज चलेगा
Oh
फिर.
no. Okay.
Okay. So Haya, one thing that not many people know about Anisha. So one thing that ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता लेकिन है. ये आई कांटेक्ट क्यों हो रहा है यहाँ पर? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है.
ये आँखों के जाम. But
चले.
I don't even know myself.
Any one thing that people don't know
there.
about you.
She's
I'm all
there.
out
She's
there.
all out there.
Like there's nothing I
every-
hide.
You know, like a hobby, like a hidden hobby or something you like to do.
Here's something.
Achha.
I'm trying to make it.
Just write it. Just write your answer.
what?
Just write your answer.
What?
I meant a hobby.
Okay.
अच्छा नहीं सब बता दो.
नहीं मैं खुद सोच रही हूँ.
मैं बहुत छोटा लिखा है, so I have to like.
I've been doing this with you only.
Okay, wait.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We got another one right.
Yeah.
Even I knew this, you know. Even I knew this.
Somehow, like, you know,
Yeah.
it's there. Yeah. So dancing it is.
Okay, so jaldi hata do, then I have an interesting
Yeah.
question,
Okay.
which is pretty basic and I'm pretty sure you'll know. So, what does Anisha prefer? Coffee or tea? Hurry, hurry, 5 seconds. बहुत आसान है ये.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Alright.
Coffee. All time.
अच्छा ये जो सवाल है ना ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा सवाल है. I'm pretty sure अनीशा तुमने भी इस बारे में नहीं सोचा होगा. So Anisha just won $10,000 कह लो. What is the first thing she's going to do with that money? What do you think your best friend would do if she gets that kind of money? The first thing that she'd do. इसको खुद ही
2 things.
नहीं, the first thing that you would do when you get $10,000, what would you do?
I would do 2 things.
No, you have to do one thing.
Okay, this is very random, and I hope this is what she wants because I know she wants this. Okay.
Invest.
Produce a movie.
yeah.
It's. I feel like
नहीं, उसने
invest.
and you wrote 2,
Invest.
so it's shopping.
Because
I asked you to write
This
one.
is investment, right?
Right?
Yeah.
Like, you gotta take a shot, man.
Why? This
Nahi.
is investment. Anisha.
So I asked you to write one.
I would invest and shop.
Invest in what?
10,000 is a big amount. I would do 2 things.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay, so do I have to? No.
No, I feel like इसने बहुत safe खेला है तुम्हें
Yeah.
अपनी best friend को बचाने के लिए coffee shot से. So
Okay.
बचा लेना.
okay. So अब questions मैं पूछूंगी अनीशा से हया के बारे में. Okay, so that was pretty impressive. Haya got 4 answers right out of 5. So
Ooh, that's
pretty good.
nice.
लेकिन
Good
best friend
competition.
test.
Yeah.
लेकिन अब पता चलेगा कि अनीशा है तुम्हारी best friend. So now because I'm gonna ask
Aha.
Anisha 5 questions about
Okay.
you.
Perfect.
Okay, Anisha, are you ready?
Yeah.
So Anisha, what is Haya's go-to dish when she has to make dinner?
She doesn't make dinner, but
What
I
if-
like
what
she
if-
eats.
Yeah,
No, but
नहीं.
like Anisha, there's one thing that I make and I'm pretty good at it.
Yeah.
Always. Yeah,
Even
guys.
your handwritings are same in this.
Really?
Yeah, look same.
Best friend thing. Okay. That was pretty easy. I feel like everyone knows.
Okay, so Anisha, you now have to describe Haya in 3 words. So let's see if Haya agrees with it. मतलब देख लेंगे क्या similarity है. So 3 words you would explain Haya in. मतलब उसको खुद नहीं पता है ना.
Yeah, even I don't know.
वो खुद से
Honestly.
सोच रही है 3
It's
words.
hard.
Anything about her personality, like the kind of person she is. 3 words you would use to describe Haya.
Wait, no, I don't know the third one.
Just write anything.
Yeah.
You guys have like 10 seconds left. She's done. And you're not done.
I know her more than herself.
Okay. I don't
Alright.
even know.
So we have sensitive, cheerful, caring, and we
And
have
emo.
cheerful, sensitive,
Like very
emotional.
emo.
So I feel like being emotional and caring is kind of like the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you
but
got
she
this
got-
right.
yeah.
She actually got this right. Like 2 out of 3. That's good.
Yeah, nice.
Acha. So Anisha,
Okay.
if Haya was an animal, what would she be?
Okay.
Ooh, guys, I'm confused between 2.
Yeah, same.
Just jaldi likho. Don't discuss it. You're not supposed to discuss it.
Okay.
You're just supposed to write. Write your heart out.
Okay.
I'd write the one is obvious.
Really? She
Cat.
also wrote cat. You want to be a cat?
Yeah, because
She
I feel
loves
like I'm surrounded by cats all the time. I have like so many cats.
And I love her cats.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not a cat person. I'm like a dog
But you
person.
know
I don't
how
like
cat
cats.
is always sleeping, eating, and just
They're
wanting.
a mood.
Yeah,
What the
they're a
hell?
mood.
They're like a mood. They
One
don't have
love
to work. They
and
get fed
food.
and all.
Yeah.
Pretty good, man.
I love that.
Okay, so last question for you, Anisha. And up tak she's got all of them right.
All of them right.
Not a single coffee shot,
Surprisingly. Okay, I need to like level up right now.
Okay, so
with my
Anisha,
answers.
What is Haya's biggest phobia or fear?
Why?
She's like
बहुत
lost.
intense हो गया है because even I don't know, but like fear.
Okay,
right?
I get it.
Acha. So
So it's something. It's not a thing, but it's
It's a feeling.
yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm right.
Okay.
being lied to, not being a
Being a
priority.
priority.
So Anisha, chalo. Nahi, you cannot
Okay,
cover
I'm
this.
feeling-
You cannot
That's
cover
my
this.
feeling. Yeah.
That-
yeah.
that's
That
my
is.
feeling.
Yeah.
So what
Do
did you
not
write?
be a second option is what I feel.
So
That's
but your answer did not match hers. So she
Yeah.
got to take a shot. Come on.
But she's
It's
wrong
her fault.
in
It's her
this.
fault. Come on, you got to take a shot,
She's
man.
wrong. I'm right. This is
But
ये
wrong.
देखिए,
I
यहाँ
just, I
पे-
just wanted you to take a shot.
Relationship टूट रही है एक कॉफी शॉट के लिए.
I just wanted her to take a shot.
These are actually my favorite. Like I feel like Second Cup makes such nice black coffee
Black
shots.
coffee shots.
They're like
yeah.
my favorite for the morning. They just
Yeah.
wake you up. So
True. True.
how was it, Anisha?
How are you feeling?
I'm more of a sweet.
You're like a cold coffee person, no?
Yeah.
Jahan tak
Yeah.
I remember. But
Sweet,
I love
caramel,
Second
all
Cup's
of
black
that.
coffee shots. They're like too good.
In the morning.
Like
yeah.
they just wake you up.
I would never
these
take
I'm sure
black
they will.
coffee ever, but I would take their sweet coffees, like cold coffees. I love all.
Okay, so guys, just because both of them got one question wrong, we now have a very, very fun and interesting rapid fire round. So we'll come back and let me get you guys all set and ready for the buzzer round.
Okay.
Alright. Foreign. Okay, so now I have my questions for the rapid fire. आप दोनों के आगे buzzer / bells हैं और जैसे ही सवाल पूछूंगी फौरन आपने इनको बजानी है और जवाब देना है. And you have to answer in a second. अगर आपका आंसर गलत हुआ, that question will go straight to Anisha. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. अच्छा.
Because remember पिछले राउंड में आप लोगों का tie था, so you got to be efficient in this.
yeah.
और ये जो questions है ना, ये general knowledge का. It's not
yeah,
about.
फिर
you.
तो
तो
I
फिर
feel
तो-
like मैं gonna
Like
fail big
general,
time.
like not knowledge or general.
Yeah, so I
knowledge.
feel like.
Like in general. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
सोच लो.
Soch
Okay.
लिया.
First question: Where is Second Cup Coffee located?
Butter commercial.
No, it's not butter.
It's butter.
It's main Khawani Shabazz.
Okay. Okay.
So, does Second Cup offer anything else except coffee?
Yes, I think they have muffins, they have sandwiches, they have macaroons and all sort of
Bakery item.
bakery and munching
You
items.
got that
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. How are muffins different than cupcakes?
I think actually cupcakes are more sweet, and like muffins that they I think are healthier option.
So that is exactly
compared-
why Second Cup has muffins and not cupcakes, because cupcakes are way sweeter and उसमें बहुत fat होता है and muffins don't. Hence this is the reason why Second Cup has muffins. That was right and wow, I'm impressed. अच्छा. Question number 4. What do coffee baristas mean when they say, "Do you want your coffee on the rocks?" पहले किसने उठाया था?
I
I did.
It's Haya. Acha Haya. So what do coffee baristas mean when they say, "Do you want your coffee on the rocks?"
Okay, I think they mean black coffee. Is that it? No?
With ice.
No. On the rocks means एक तो it's more क्या कहते हैं strong and it's not blended. So
it's
on the
yeah,
rocks,
so
it's not blended. So you both got it wrong
Oh.
and I got it right.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is
I was so excited to answer this question for some reason. I don't even know why. Okay.
अच्छा ये जो question है ना ये bonus question है तो ये है एक riddle. You have to answer this riddle.
Okay.
I can
Really
be
bad at
roasted,
riddles.
but I'm not a turkey. I can be ground, but I'm not pepper. I can be pressed, but I'm not a button. I can be brewed, but I'm not beer. What am I?
Rude.
What?
Coffee.
Right.
Brewed. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Pressed and
Anisha, just because Haya won this round, you don't know who the winner is, right? It's Haya.
Thank you guys.
So-
Thank you.
I hope you guys had fun today, Haya and Anisha.
It was definitely a
It
lot.
It was
of
nice catching up with you guys.
fun. It was.
Same
Yes.
So guys, that was it for today, and I had a lot of fun with Haya and Anisha, these two best friends, and it was crazy, but we had fun. Thank you for watching.